Hey friends, here is a quick look at the Maxpedition Mini Pocket Organizer. This one is in OD green, has a nice mesh pocket up here that has a Velcro closure here in the middle, so you could put something like a pencil down the side if you wanted to do something like that while it's still closed in the center. I just have a few little odds and ends down there. I have this set up as a toolkit for out on the range. And so I have some picks. I have a little spring tool here, a little punch, uh, roll pin punch, small flashlight, a kind of DIY punch, Sharpie, oil, nano lube, little bore light, and a little kind of cleaning tool for scraping. So I like the fact that it's got this vertical organization, and it's got 3 loops on the outside, then one large elastic loop behind if you wanted to put something bigger in that spot on this side. And on the left, it's got 4 smaller loops and 2 large ones underneath. So it gives you a lot of versatility in terms of how you want to set it up. It has a permanently attached leash here to hook up keys or anything else that you want to have set back behind there. Currently, I don't think I have anything in these back pouches, but there are, can you see, 2 pouches full depth that go all the way down to the bottom behind the tools that you have in here. So that's just not currently how I have it set up, but you have that option if you want it. So the stitching on it is all excellent. I've had this thing for 5 years or so, and it's been in regular use, and you can see how well it's held up. It's got webbing back here if you want to try to attach it to Pals or Molly webbing with clips. Got a nice grab handle that is plenty big to get a big old hand through. YKK zippers, which work very, very smoothly without any issues whatsoever. So it's a great little pouch, the Maxpedition Mini Pocket Organizer.